Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to resize photo on any iPhone. Now to do that, first of all, I will open the gallery app. Now as you can see, this is the image which I want to resize. Now as you can see, the size of the picture is currently 3024 by 4032 pixels and the size of the image is 1.5 megabytes. Now to resize this image, first of all, just go to your home screen and open the App Store. Now in the search bar, just search this. Now from here, just install this app. Then tap on install. Then tap on open. From here, tap on check it out. Then tap on the plus icon. Now just tap on continue and select allow full access. Now from here, just select the image which you want to resize. I will select this image. Now from here, just go back. Then tap on the three dots over here and select settings. Now in settings, you will find the option of image sizing. Just tap on it. You can increase or decrease the size of the image from here. For now, I will select 800 pixels. Now just go back. And from here, just tap on the image one more time. Then tap on save. And from here, just select export. Now once you do that, now just go to your home screen and open the Photos app. Now as you can see, this is the original image. Now as you can see, the size of the image was 3024 by 4032 pixels and the size of the image was 1.5 MB. Now as you can see, this is the image which we have resized. Now as you can see, we have reduced the size of the image to 600 by 800 pixels and the size of the image is 183 KB. And this is how you can resize photos on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.